Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.2 question number first. Exercise 2.2 question number 1. Right. For what values of natural number n? For what values of natural number n, natural number n 4, 4 power n can end. 4 power n can end with the digit, with the digit 6. Right. First, for solution, for some natural number n, 4 power n can be written as 2 to the power 2n. 2 to the power 2n. Right. So, what is your conclusion here? 2 is a factor of 4 power n. Will you agree or not? Yeah. 2 is a factor of 4 power n. Now, what does the fundamental theorem of arithmetic says? By the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we know that the factorization, the factorization of 4 power n is unique. 4 power n is unique. Only 4 power n, therefore, only factor of 4 power n, is 2 even number of times. 2, even number of times. Okay. It can be expressed as a even number of times. Now, but 4 power n, always end with either 4 or 6. If conclusion, if n is odd, 4 power n ends with 4. Right? For example, you will give n equal to 1. What can you get? 4. N equal to 3. 4 into 4 into 4. So, 64. If n is odd, the 4 power n end with 4. If n is even, 4 power n end with 6. Right? 4 power n end with digit 6. End with the digit 6. Right? If you want, I will give the example here. For example, see, suppose if n equal to 1, for your understanding purpose I am doing here, 4 power 1 equal to 4, n equal to 3, 4 power 3 equal to 64, right? The number ends with 4. Then if n equal to 2, what can you get? 4 square equal to 16, n equal to 4. That means 4 power 4. 16 into 16, 256. If n is even, the number ends with the digit 6. If n is odd, the number ends with 4. For your understanding purpose, right? You don't need to write it in the exam. You have to write up to this. Got it, children? Whether did you understand what I am saying? Next question. Next, what it is given, you see, question number 2. If m and n are natural numbers, for what values of m does 2 power n into 5 power m ends in 5? Solution, question number 2. Consider, given it is, right, 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. Here, since the product has 2 as a factor. Will you agree or not? Children, will you agree or not? 2 as a factor. The product has 2 as a factor. Right. Now, 2 power n into 5 power m is even. N is natural number. N is a natural number. Right. Now, but if a number, these are all theory only. Right, children? These are all theory. But if a number ends with the digit 5, then the number is an odd number. Then the number is an odd number. Right? Odd number. Number is an odd number. Got it? Now, it is impossible. It is impossible. It is impossible. Therefore, for no values of m, for no values of m, for no values of no value, right? No value of m, 2 power n into 5 power m ends in 5. Right? N is a natural number. It is even, they said, right? If you, for no value of m, the number ends in 5. Because we used to multiply. 2 to the power n is a even. 2 to the power n is a even. Got it, children? Say yes or no. It's a theory. Just you should know. That is enough for you. Right? Now, which question I want to do? What is the, find the greatest number consisting 6 digit. Okay. Thank you, children. Tomorrow I will continue the class.